Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. My name is Michael Odiba, and in this channel you earn with me. All the programs I'm promoting, I earn something from them, and that is one of the ways I earn a living, and I'm encouraging you to do so by taking your risk. Be assured of what you are going to do. Do not invest money you cannot afford to lose. And guys, welcome to my channel. Kindly subscribe to this channel, and let's move on. Lucky Football 1 registration account setup procedures, 5% daily. That's what you earn here. On Lucky is registered name in Nigeria, certificate of registration, business name 361268, General Corporation Affairs Commission, and this is the registration name, company name, Alliance Matters Act 2020, and all of that. You can do your diligence, and further I'll be very happy for you to do your own research. So guys, this is what so guys, Lucky Football is a leading company in sport investment field in Asia. According to them, they said Asia. I don't know where Asia is coming from. So unlike the other company in the market, we give you revenue control back to our customers instead of the traders. Our specialist is soccer gaming, investment and corporate with legal exchange in the UK. Oh yeah. Now you hear me guys. So after years of research and development, we offer the tools for users to invest and make soccer gaming become a financial management target instead of gambling. We wish all our members can gain more proper profit with national decision and all of that. So this is a registration procedure. I'm going to copy my link here, and my link is going to be in this description. So I'm going to take it to my browser. Now in this video, I'm going to drop this link on how to register on this platform, guys. So when you copy the link, take it to your browser, it will load like this, and you wait for it. Now this is a process that you need to follow. Make sure here is on Nigeria, and the character number, put your username here, password here, confirm your password here, and this is the invitation code, guys. That's all we gain for doing this video and all of that. So you can use an invitation code, your mobile number, type this code in this box and tick, and you sign up, and you have your account ready. Guys, this is just a new way to earn money in this industry of football gambling or football gaming investment. So this is just how to do it. The further instructions will be in the next page, but since I'm not doing new registration, this is just how to register. Guys, follow the procedures and give them the details, and your back office is going to be ready just like my own, like this. Immediately you are done with the registration, it will be ready like this, and you will have your dashboard, your gaming plan, and everything to yourself. Now I'll be doing videos on how to fund, how this platform works. This is my dashboard. You can see my user's name. You get your record, you get your menu, trade list, event list, and my page. So withdrawal and all of that, this is where you put your attention here, and you can see deposit, you can see withdrawal. I will be doing more videos when you make deposit in Naira and withdrawals in Naira. So the next video is going to be how to make deposit and all of that, guys. Kindly follow this channel, give it to somebody that needs to watch this video. Let them know what we are doing here and how they can participate, and subscribe. See you in the next video.